erizoba yasibiri otando batayitendekere rya Bishop Stewart University mu Rembo Mbara ubwo abesimbira bwa Guild President bari kutongoza za manifesto zabo. Bakandidate aba baraganisa ko bari kuza kutandikira kuhindura ibiragiro bya university.
My manifesto is built on 4 points. That is to say, policy review, where students should always policies, how we create our services and pay. Secondly, is on how we can promote social network and how we can build ourselves with because without we cannot stand. We pay. We actually are supposed to pay 50% before we sit for our test. That is to say, we have to pay 50% in the first month. And that is very unfair because we also have a policy that looks at surcharge fees. So we are saying, why don't we go one policy and go with another policy?
It's so funny, never university at all. Politics the good thing is our students are always disciplined. And the presidential debate yata na kamati ya kamero mkono harmu orwari ababa bahagize nabahina bangi ibyo ne kubomburu.
Bakanditse bana nabo besimbira bwa Guild President abarumu Irete Musime, Ian Agaba, Elijah Bashija hamwe na Ronald Asimwe kandi akaruru nikija kuterwa harwa mukaga. Abwa TV West ndi Elias Rutugusa.